How to grab the viewer's attention to something specific in the video, as you can see. Before I start the explanation, don't forget to like and save the video so you can come back to it. Let's get to the explanation. All you have to do is open the CapCut app, then click on the video, then go to repeat, click on it to repeat the video. After that, click on overlay for the video we repeated and place it at the beginning of the video, stacking them like this as you see. After that, we will click on the video we duplicated, then go to remove background. Next, we will click on custom removal, then click on the quick brush and select the area we want to highlight. This will automatically select the entire area for us. After that, we will click on the check mark until it loads. We'll go back and select the highlight color we want to use. We'll go back and choose settings. Then we'll click on graphs and adjust the colors you see in front of you. Play with the colors until you reach the color you want. Then click on this arrow and click on the check mark. And we will cut the video to make a flash for the shot. So the shot is adjusted and returns to green to grab the viewer's attention. We will delete this part and leave a piece of the video to create a flash. We will then play the video, and as you can see, it worked without issues. You can cut and adjust as you like and choose the color as you want. That's it, my friend. If you like the content, don't forget to follow.